got to go in here, pop through. Here we go. Get a bolt through there. Sure we do. It is through. Okay. Lucky only tacked it, eh? So I've got to come back another couple of mil. Now we got there in the end. That's it. Okay. Now we can weld the bottom piece in. Oh, we finally finished. Let's get some red oxide on these weld points. Thank you for your service. Hey.